everyone, this is Athen. I'm back with another video. Today I'm back with a Visa Fridays update. As we have been closely monitoring the operation status of US Embassy and Consulate in India in terms of slots availability and visa priority, and Visa Fridays is one means that we'll be able to know the updates on almost all visa category and the operation status of the consulate. And with this update, we'll be able to know the visa priority and what is the possibility for you to get a slot. We were expecting an update from the consulate, as the consulate have already confirmed that they will be able to share an update after the new travel policy is announced. And today US Embassy India has answered many questions which has been asked by the public, which gives an update on the H1B visa, H4, student visa, Dropbox appointment for all visa category, and for the people who received 221G due to the travel ban PP 10199, and also the most affected visa category, which is B1, B2, R visa, O visa. Added to it, they also updated on immigrant visa category. So let's get into the video for more updates. Before going to the updates, as a part of the new travel proclamation, which is a new travel policy, the US Embassy and the Consulate is not going to stop issuing visa for any particular visa category. For example, the non-immigrant visa categories like B1, B2, R or O visa categories have been issued only under the emergency criteria. So that situation is not going to continue starting November 8th. But we can expect significant delays in certain non-immigrant visa category, which includes all non-immigrant visa category. And one more point to be noted is, starting November 8th, NIE is not required for the people going for the stamping or for the people who are traveling to US. The next update is for 221G. There was a question raised by an applicant who have received 221G due to the travel ban proclamation PP 10199. And the question goes on like, are there any guidelines to be followed? Or whether the applicant should schedule for a Dropbox appointment or go for a new application or interview appointment after November 8th. Usually, whenever the 221G has been issued to an applicant, US Embassy would reach out to the applicant on the next step that they have to follow. But this 221G, due to this travel ban, the numbers are huge, and moreover they have also stated that even they are waiting for the guidance on what is the instruction they have to follow starting November 8th, and which they will be updating soon in their official website. The next visa category is for B1, B2. So there might be many questions, but I think the main question would be whether the slots will be open for the month of November or for December. And for this, Consulate has updated that they have not yet resumed processing routine visa for B1, B2. As we already know that the B1, B2 category is the most affected category, and only the applicants who fall under the emergency criteria were able to travel in the past 6 months. And though the consulate have updated that they have resumed processing R and O visa category, they have not yet resumed for B2 visa category. And they have also mentioned that there might be significant wait times for some non-immigrant visa category, including B1, B2. So this update is only for this week. So don't worry, maybe we will get a good update on B1, B2 in coming weeks. Let's see the update on H1B. So there were a lot of questions asked on H1B category. The questions were more on like whether the consulate is planning to increase the number of slots starting November 8th. And how about the bulk slot, and whether the H1B slots are opened in all consulates or not. And for that, the consulate have answered that when it comes to H1B, it is a popular category, and H1B appointments are available throughout Mission India, which means all 5 consulates, which includes Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad. And moreover, they have also added a point that the number of slots availability in each consulate differs based on the staffing in each consulate. The slots for H1B is opened whenever conditions apply, but mostly every single week they are adding the slots. With the real-time experience and with this update, we can understand that the H1B slots are available. And if you are one of the applicants who are trying to schedule an appointment, please try and keep checking so that you will be able to get a slot in coming months. The next update is for R visa category. There were a lot of questions asked, but the main question is that whether R visa appointments will be opened for the month of November or not. And for that, the consulate have confirmed that currently they have opened slots for our visa category. I think it is a happy news. And moreover, the slots are opened in all the consulate. And one more point to be added is the appointments will be added whenever the conditions allow, but it might get filled up quickly. So keep checking so that you'll be able to get one in the month of November itself. The next update is for O visa category. Let's get into the main question, whether the slots will be available for O visa category in coming months. And for this visa category, consulate have confirmed that currently they have already opened the slots for O visa and the appointments are limited. So please try checking, and they might increase the number of slots whenever the conditions allow. And moreover, the slots are available in all the consulate. So please keep checking so that you'll be able to get your slots booked. Let's see the update on Dropbox appointment. Consulate have updated that currently the Dropbox appointment slots are opened in a very small numbers every week. And it gets filled up very quickly as the demand is huge. So if you are one among the applicants who are trying to get the Dropbox appointment, try every single week so that you'll be able to get a slot in coming weeks. The next update is for students category. As spring semester is coming up, there are a lot of students who are trying to book their slots but not able to get one. So for that, the consulate have updated that they are opening slots in all the consulates in India. And they also added that they continue to add additional slots in coming days. Please note that the students always falls under the top priority when it comes to the slots availability for students. And so please keep checking so that you will be able to book a slots in coming days. The next update is for F2A category. The question is, when will F2A visa category start in India? And for that, the consulate have answered that as far as immigrant visa is concerned, there are a lot of backlogs due to this pandemic. And the Mumbai consulate is contacting those whose appointments have got cancelled in the month of April to May of 2021 and spring 2020 in a chronological order. And the consulate have also mentioned that they are resuming 221G submission and reissuance of expired visa in all categories. And they are also resuming scheduling routine cases through national visa centers. For those people who are asking when they will be called, consulate is replying that they will not be able to predict when each applicant will be called. Along with all these updates, consulate have also insisted that if you are an individual who are already in US right now and planning to travel in coming months to India, then please reconsider travel, as the demand for a visa appointment is going to be huge in coming months. Hope this information was helpful, and maybe you might have got an idea about the current operation status of the US Embassy and Consulate in India. So for further updates, please stay tuned with Purna Aarti Vlog for more and more updates on embassy, immigration, travel and vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.